Have you ever had a conversation with someone and then heard Siri repeat back something you just said? You can prevent that using Type to Siri. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to activate and use Type to Siri. Let's get started. Open Settings, scroll down, and find General. Tap Accessibility. Then scroll down and find Siri. Tap Siri and turn on Type to Siri. Press the Home button to exit the settings. Activate Siri and type a question. For example, what time is it? Press Done when done. You can see that it's 5:57 p.m. Another example might be, what's the temperature for tomorrow? You see that tomorrow is going to be 24 degrees. If you type "whose phone is this?", Siri will tell you who owns the phone if the owner information has been filled out properly. This can be helpful if you find an iPhone and want to return it to its owner. Press Done, and you see who owns the phone. You can also type things to Siri and have her respond as normal. Remember, you will get the voice feedback if it's turned on. You can't hear it right now because I'm recording. To turn off Type to Siri, open Settings, scroll down, tap General, then Accessibility, find Siri, tap Siri, and turn Type to Siri off. Press the Home button to activate Siri, and it activates normally. You can now speak to it.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
In a moment, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out, and we'll see you in the next one.